Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add music to all photos on your Instagram story, step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open Instagram and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. From the options that appear, select Reel to start your project. Step 3. Now, look for the multiple photos option and make sure it's enabled so you can add more than one photo. Step 4. Go ahead and select the photos you want to use in your story. You can pick as many as you like. Step 5. Once you've selected your photos, tap Next to proceed to the next screen. Step 6. Now, skip ahead to the music option. This is where the fun starts. Step 7. Here, you can add music to your photos, choose your favorite song, or search for one that suits your vibe. Step 8. After adding music, you can also get creative by adding stickers or filters to your photos for that extra touch. Step 9. Once you're happy with your edits, tap the download button to save the video to your gallery. Step 10. Now, head back to Instagram, tap the plus icon again, and this time, select Story to upload your new creation. Step 11. Upload the video you just saved from your gallery. Step 12. Once uploaded, tap on the music option again to add the desired music to your story. Step 13. You can also choose to enable or disable the lyrics that appear along with the song. Totally up to you. Step 14. Finally, tap Share to upload your story with music and share it with your followers. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.